Jai Swaminarayan. Myself, Kumudini Nalaude, Atmi Green School, Standard 4th, subject GK. Now, in the previous, we have completed the Mighty Mountains. Okay, so before starting our new chapter, that is Wonder of Nature, just click on the syllabus of PT1. So please open page of content. Fine. So the natural world and the science and technology are the two chapters for our PT1. Everyone has ticket? Okay, so let's start the nature of wonder. I think it is page number 21. So please open page number 21. Okay, so let's start. Wonder of nature. So in this chapter, we study about the animals and plants, also about the earth, special or we can say some different characters. Okay, and according to that word, this is the crossword. So let's see. Wonders of nature. Read the clues to complete the crossword on nature. A process of long sleep adapted by some mammals to survive in freezing winter month. Now, what are the mammals? Mammals are the type of animals which give birth to their young ones, or we can say baby ones. Okay. Now, some animals live in hot climate, that is like desert. Some animals live in cold content such like Antarctica. Okay, so there they have to face such critical climate. So face to face such type of climates, they adapt some features. So some has fur, some has a thick layer of skin. Now, some animals uh, have long sleep. That means they become inactive. Okay, they even don't take food. So this is the this process of long sleep. Long sleep मतलब वो inactive होते हैं. They don't do anything. They just sleep. Even they don't take food. And this process is known as hibernation. Okay. So ये क्यों करते हैं? To conserve their energy. Hibernation. It is hibernation. Okay. Now see the next. They are species of mammals that lay eggs. तो अभी मैंने बताया मैमल्स किसे कहते हैं कि जो अपने बेबी वंस को प्रोड्यूस करते हैं, मतलब जन्म देते हैं, तो उनको क्या कहते हैं? हम मैमल्स कहते हैं. तो मैमल्स हैव हेयर्स ऑन देयर स्किन, आल्सो दे गिव्स मिल्क टू देयर बेबी वंस. नाउ देयर आर सम मैमल्स व्हिच ले एग्स. अब उन मैमल्स में ऐसे जो एनिमल्स है जो क्या करते हैं? अंडे देकर अपने यंग वंस का प्रोडक्शन करते हैं. तो उनको इसमें ही एक टाइप से या फिर वो एक स्पेसीज है. तो वो कौन सी मतलब वो सर्टन टाइप ऑफ एनिमल है. तो दैट इज platypus. So you can see platypus in this picture. Now see the seventh one. These are the tiny drops of water which form during the night through the process of condensation and cling plants and grass at dawn. So see the picture. I think you have get the idea about this word. सुबह 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 जल्दी अगर आप उठेंगे तो ये जो घास पे छोटे छोटे पानी की बूंदें होती है जो अपने सनराइज से या सनलाइट से ऐसे शाइन करती है, तो इन्हें क्या कहते हैं? यस, इट इज ड्यू. DEW. This occurs when rock moves below the surface. This occurs when rocks move below the surface of the earth and ground shakes. पूरी धरती हिलती है और बड़े बड़े पत्थर और रॉक्स भी मूव हो जाते हैं. तो इस सिचुएशंस को क्या कहते हैं हम? अर्थक्वेक. ओके, EARTHQUAKE, earthquake. Now see the last one. I think everyone knows this answer. This white mineral that we use every day in cooking food comes mostly from seawater. Give me the answer. Yes, very good. So ये जो व्हाइट मिनरल है जो हम डेली खाते हैं और जो हमें सी वाटर से मिलता है, तो वो क्या है? सॉल्ट. SALT, सॉल्ट. This produced when the light strike collection of water droplets such as rain spray and or mist. तो ये बारिश के दिनों में हमें आकाश में देखने के लिए मिलता है. इसमें 7 रंग होते हैं. क्या है वो? See this picture. Yes, very good. It is a rainbow. RAINBOW, rainbow. Now see the next one. This is a classification of animal that can live on land as well as water. अब अकॉर्डिंग टू हैबिटेट्स, मतलब एनिमल्स जहाँ रहते हैं उसके अकॉर्डिंग एनिमल्स का क्लासिफिकेशन किया जाता है. तो उसमें है फर्स्ट, द एनिमल्स विच लिव्स ऑन अर्थ आर कॉल्ड टेरेस्ट्रियल एनिमल्स. द एनिमल्स विच लिव्स इन वाटर आर कॉल्ड aquatic एनिमल्स. अब जो एनिमल्स both मतलब on land and also on water, live in water, so these animals called amphibian. Okay, so these are AMPHBIAN, amphibian. Okay, so see the next. This is the largest bird in existence. Now tell me which is our national bird? Okay, it is peacock. And which is the largest bird? O से start होता है उसका नाम ostrich. आपने देखा है ostrich को? Okay, so let's see the next one. This is a content with no active volcanoes on its mainland. ओके, ये जो कंटेंट है इसमें एक्टिव वल्केनो हमें नहीं मिलता, मतलब नहीं होता. तो वो कौन सा है? ऑस्ट्रेलिया. ओके, नाउ सी द नेक्स्ट वन. दिस ऑकर्स व्हेन अर्थ, मून एंड सन आर इन वन लाइन. So everyone knows Earth revolves around itself, and during this it revolves around the Sun also in certain orbit. Okay, Moon is also revolved around the Earth. So these three celestial bodies, when revolves, they comes in one line. Whether in such a situation, between Sun and Earth there will be Moon, or so in such situation between sun and earth there will be moon, or earth is in between sun and moon. So this situation or this occurs when it called the eclipse. This is the center of earth. See the picture, the orange and yellow color part. Okay, so this is called the core of the earth. Okay, it is called core. Center of the earth is called core of the core. So it is CORE, core. This happens when underwater earthquake occurs. Yes? Any guess? Yes, it is tsunami. TSUNAMI. जब earthquake होता है तो सीज में भी अंडर वाटर वो earthquake happen होता है, तो वो tsunamis क्रिएट हो जाते हैं उसमें. ओके, ओके, नाउ सी द नेक्स्ट चैप्टर. So it is insect eating plants. For this you have to open page number, let's see, just give me 1 second. I think it is 41, Shan. Yeah, it's 41. Okay, now see here, plants produce their food own. Okay, with the help of photosynthesis process, these plants produce their own food. Get it? Now some plants are such type of plants which eat the insects. That plants are called insect eating plants. Okay, So here